is a waterfall right way up there. That was the original plan. Then we saw what Oak Creek looked like, and you have to cross that. Swimming in February, sound good?
No.
No. So now we're gonna do, is it North Wilson?
Yeah.
North Wilson. Yeah, so we're gonna take North Wilson Mountain, go up to this trail. I think we're going here, right? Or do we want to go there? This is a higher elevation. Let's go see what it looks like. We'll figure something out. May not be right.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.
Yeah, so we came up here. The original plan was to go up to waterfall. Only runs when it's raining. That's right up there. But slick out here, and that's way up. And there's no way we're getting across Oak Creek. So we're doing North Wilson Mountain.
I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down.
So it starts out pretty steady incline from the parking lot. Go through a whole bunch of fire damage, but now we're up in the trees. It's beautiful. Really liking this. Never even heard of this trail before.
Yeah, I love this trail.
Yeah, I've done like the south side of Wilson Mountain and canyoneered that. That was really pretty, but yeah, this is cool.
I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves. Going to a place that's far. Staring at the stars for hours. 'Cause you're a renegade.
That is a nice view. It's also sleeting.
Yeah, and that.
Yeah,
It's worth it.
yeah,
I'll take it.
so far.
It's more adventure. We like adventure.
Some of us more than others.
Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me.
Well, I would comment on the views, but I can't see anything. The nice whiteout you brought me up into.
You're welcome.
Brought my waterproof shoes, left them in the car. Trails turned into a stream. My shoes are soaked.
I don't know how many times I tell him. No.
Okay, we
It'll
don't
be
need that.
fun.
I don't think there's supposed to be a waterfall in the middle of the trail, but we've been walking in water for a mile now.
Yeah, seems like it.
Seems like it.
We'll go with a mile.
Yeah, we'll say that. It's a mile. Exactly. Yeah, there's some serious snow up here. We're in the middle of a whiteout. I don't think the views are gonna be great. Still just really cool and peaceful hiking through the snow. Looks like there's a couple of people in front of us. Otherwise, haven't seen anybody since we left the road. It's not the adventure I was expecting today.
Yeah, but I like it.
Yeah.
I like surprises sometimes.
Good surprises.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a good one,
Yeah.
I think.
So far.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to.
Yeah, so GPS is showing we're past the trail, but we're not. There's a sign. We're gonna make it.
Yay!
I may lose my toes. That may be a thing.
Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you.
That's our beautiful overlook.
Epic views.
Yes.
Epic.
I imagine there's something really cool out there, but we're not going to see it today. So my feet are frozen. It's time to get back to the truck. You ready?
Yep.
Mexican food?
Yes.
Let's go. So about 4 miles each way, out and back. We got to try this when it's not completely frozen and we're not walking in the clouds and we can get the views better. I've been up the other side of Wilson Mountain and it's beautiful. 2,200 feet of elevation gain and lots of snow and slush and ice, but pretty straightforward. I wish I could show the views a little better, but trust me, it's beautiful up here. It's Sedona, you can't go wrong. Now we got to get down. Yeah, so coming down, it's been a wet, sloppy mess. If I could do this again, have waterproof boots, maybe even some micro spikes. It's so slick in the snow, slush, but it's a great hike. Definitely need to do this one again. Now, time to get to the truck, get some Mexican food. That's gonna happen.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh.
That was one of the most amazing things. Is this fog and clouds, and all of a sudden we started a time lapse and it just blew away, and we've had blue skies and this amazing view. I'll put some pictures in it, and I think I've got a time lapse of it, which if we got that time lapse,
Oh my God.
oh man. And now it's all blown back in. It's crazy. It's one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. Yeah, white out again.
Yep.
It's totally whited out. This is awesome. This is amazing. That was so cool. Every now and then on a trip, you have that moment that just blows your mind and makes everything worth it. And that was that moment. That was all right. I think we're going to talk about that one for a while.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. We got our 10 seconds of sunshine. Amazing shots, amazing time lapse. And yeah, wow. I don't know what else to say about it. Anyway, that's all I got. Time for Mexican food.
Searching courage to get up again in an armful of a friend.
time he stops pretending.
There are my waterproof boots.
And your waterproof pants.
Oh yeah, and my waterproof pants.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be slick coming down. Yeah, it's just mud and it's only sleeting. It'll be fine. Here's a sign that indicates we are in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where any of those places are. Yay.
He needs to bring me along so he knows where he's going. And
It's fine.
so he can ignore my advice about wearing waterproof boots when I'm supposed to rain.
It'll be so warm when I get down to the car. Yeah.
I've been watching you for years.
I don't think there's supposed to be a waterfall in your stream. In your stream.
Merrily, merrily, merrily.
Let me start that over. I think the views are going to be epic.
Videotape my ungraceful
I didn't get you on the ungraceful part. Let's see how you do here. Oh, that was Wilson Mountain North Trail. North Wilson Mountain Trail? That was North Wilson Mountain Trail.
Just keep throwing those words together.
Yes, eventually a combination that's proper usage of the English language. Definitely have my waterproof boots. But I don't need to listen to you. They're in the truck. They'll be great to put on when I'm done.
Baila como una maniática, el perreo ya le gusta. Ella es una fanática, con movimiento que asusta. Cuando baila tú estás anormal, y ese paso no lo coge. También baila esa guía papá, hace que todo se antoje. Bueno, no muendo, cuando mueve su cara.